Let's walk through how to use the Shopify POS Deposits and Layaway app to hold products, take deposits, and track partial payments, all from your POS. Start by adding a product to the cart, just like you normally would in POS. Next, assign a customer to the cart. You can choose an existing one or create a new profile on the fly. Once your cart is ready, it's time to create a reservation. Tap the Reserve Products tile to begin. Select the cart item you want to reserve. By default, the hold time is set automatically, but you can customize the default duration in the app settings at any time. Need to hold it for longer? You can customize the reservation period to suit the customer's needs. When you're happy with the details, tap Reserve Items. Select a reason for the reservation, like layaway, hold, or anything else, and add any notes if needed. These are saved with the reservation for future reference. Now just tap Confirm Reservation, and you're done. The reservation is saved and the item is now held for your customer. Now let's say your customer wants to put down a deposit. Tap the Manage Reservations tile to get started. Find and select the reservation you want to take payment on. Tap Convert to Cart to begin the checkout process. This will move the inventory items back into available stock ready for checkout. When you're ready, tap Checkout. To take a deposit, choose Split Payment. Enter the amount the customer will pay today. Then process the payment just like you normally would. Once payment is complete, mark the order as partially paid. Tap Done, and that's it. You've successfully taken a deposit while keeping the item reserved. Now, let's review our reservation. Tap the Manage Reservations tile to begin. Locate the reservation. You'll see the status has been updated to reflect the new payment status. Select the reservation and make a note of the associated order number. Next, close the reservation and head over to Orders. You can find the related order by entering the order number or searching by customer name. From here, collect the final payment to complete the sale. Once payment is complete, go back to Manage Reservations. Search for the original reservation. Completed reservations are hidden by default, so you'll need to search by customer name or reservation reference. You'll notice that the reservation is now marked as completed, and the order reference number is recorded right alongside it, giving you full traceability.